Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert raw in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet and click on this Google Sheet. First I will insert Google Sheet. Click on Google Sheet and click right button. And here you will find this insert raw above. And second you click on this Google Sheet raw number. Now select insert option. Here you will find this raw option. Insert raw above or below. I will insert raw below. And see this raw already inserted. Again select and click right button and select the insert row above and select the row already above insert it. Also select this one and select insert and insert row above. Also you can insert multiple rows. Select dragging your mouse this row and select insert option and rows above 3. Also insert this 2 rows. Select the insert below and see this. Yeah, in this way you can insert as many as row you want. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.